serious? Are you serious? Folks, 40 volcanoes right now around the world are erupting. Now, this is incredible. And all of them are from the ring of fire except 6. We're seeing a definite uptick in volcanic activity. Of course, we know there's a ton of increase of solar flares releasing CMEs from the sun. And so, earthquakes. I mean, we've had 4 earthquakes now in the last 2 weeks, over 7.0 in Nepal, 8,000 people dead. Are you serious? I mean, this thing is getting uglier by the minute. And so, and volcanoes now erupting. There's, we just can see constant apocalyptic events. Our planet's becoming increasingly unstable. Are you serious? But this is what Jesus said would happen in the last days. And we're truly seeing it. Now, I'll be right back. I've got some great information to share with you from the place of the skull, from Golgotha, and also from the Mount of Olives. Some very powerful information. I'll be right back.